The United Nations designates every July 11 as World Population Day to highlight issues related to population growth, including environment sustainability, global development, healthcare, and youth empowerment. Here in Guyana, stakeholders attending the 16th monitoring meeting of the Caribbean Development Cooperation Committee were told that inequalities among teenage girls, a situation that exists here in Guyana, could be one of the causes for some of the challenges adolescent mothers face. According to Esteban Caballero, the Deputy Regional Director of UNFPA, the time has come for countries like Guyana to put policies in place to deal with challenges this vulnerable group faces.
In terms of gender equality, one important element is the expansion of opportunities for women, increasing social and territorial spaces where women are recognized as rights holders on an equal footing in both public and private life. Achieving a life free of violence against women requires strengthening prevention mechanisms and intersectoral linkages of security, justice, and health, as well as strengthening access to justice throughout the country and thus reduce impunity.
The CARICOM Secretariat has been partnering with the United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean ECLAC and the UNFPA for the Caribbean Forum on Population, Migration and Development. The forum, which wrapped up midweek, is part of the Intra-African Caribbean Pacific ACP Migration Project, which is supported by the European Union, which is aimed at building capacity in 6 ACP regions and 12 pilot countries within the ACP to address issues related to migratory flows, focusing on increasing its value to development. Alicia Barceno is the Executive Director of ECLAC.
But we have to make sure that this erosion of the social fabric that starts with unemployment, frankly speaking, we believe in ECLAC that employment is the key for inequality or to combat inequality, but employment with rights. And we are very concerned because when we have the erosion of the social fabric, what happens is that the critical issues we confront next is crime and violence and drug trade and high levels of social deviance, particularly among the young people.
Barcena said that at the end of the 2-day forum, which provided an outcome document, will serve as a roadmap for both national and sub-regional actions going forward. Leroy Adolphus, Capital News.